Congrats!
Thank you, kakalag po. Sila yung coffee maker.
Ngayon nga do?
Okay mo.
Dakal ka ba mo? Datang ngayon eh. Bro, dito unlimited coffee tayo for 85 pesos on. Kung ikaw ang uminom ng unlimited, anong mangyayari sa'yo?
Feeling ko kahit isang araw kang nagtatrabaho or gising, pwede ka dito.
Dala lang ng mga unlimited coffee.
Yes,
no?
imagine parang ito pa lang yung nakita kong unlimited coffee along Angeles
This area. Exactly.
Yan. Yung mga coffee lover dyan, chance nyo na to.
So again guys, this is Hola, and actually na-feature na natin to from home. And then finally, this is their flagship store. Congratulations! Ribbon cutting tayo today. Congratulations Hola! So syempre titingnan pa rin natin yung mga pagkain nila dito. And
I'm excited. I'm excited na tikman ulit sila.
Syempre, tara! Let's go! Guys, so ito yung mga sample products natin for Hola. Actually 27 different kinds of bread and pastries. Surprisingly, Mark, meron din silang mga pasta salad and sandwiches.
Sandwiches, this one is shingaling.
Shingaling, wow. I remember.
Yan yung kapampangan.
Yes.
So, sa atin kami ring minindal. We call this
Minindal?
Yeah, meron siyang clubhouse or grilled cheese sandwich sa baba. So this is our minindal set.
How much?
This is 330 pesos. Tapos mag-only coffee ka.
Yeah.
Pwede na.
So, alternatively guys, for example, the entire box is too much for you. Pwede rin tayong parang a la carte per bread, per piece. There you go.
This is our own version of the floss.
Floss, yes.
Atin yung cream cheese filling.
Alright, so once again, thank you so much guys for being with us in this video. Congratulations since Hola for opening up.
Actually, mas madali na siyang puntahan ngayon kasi located siya dito sa may Nepo Quad.
Yeah.
So talagang mas malaki, mas marami kang choices, and mas madali kang bumili.
Speaking of choices, from their menu, ito yung pinili ko. This is their smoked bacon carbonara.
Ako naman yung kanilang bestseller
Makana niya.
pasta bonggol.
Manggala, alright. Of course, meron din tayong dito, pinindal for you. So, you have sandwich, and of course, mga ensaymada, and mga
brownies.
Yes. And for our salad, this is
Shingaling.
Shingaling.
Yes.
So, batang 90s na merienda, incorporated with
Our salad.
Alright. Cheers. So, yun, congratulations Hola. Guys, if you're looking for a different kind of ensaymada, ito yung viral na ensaymada. Ito yung trending na ensaymada. Come and check out Hola. So, located po sila dito sa The Quad. Pinaka-landmark natin dito, it's just across McDonald's, Nepo. And yeah, guys, if you like this video, if you like the food you saw in this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends.
That's it. Thank you for watching. We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery. Peace out.
Bye, guys.